Hi, welcome to Tap Tech. Something big is coming, and it's already shaking the drone world. DJI has dropped a cryptic teaser that hints at a game-changing release. The clip, shared by Mauro Tandoy and captioned Gemini 5 Pro, work in progress. Smiley, shows a sleek new drone lying beside a mountain biker. Even without a full reveal, the details are enough to send fans into a frenzy. It's clean, compact, and very different from the Mini 4 Pro. What stands out is the sleek design. No bulky guards. Just clean lines, folding props, and robust vented motors. This isn't just a cosmetic change. The design hints at something much more powerful. More refined. This might be DJI's boldest leap yet for the Mini series. The biggest news? Jasper Ellens via Drone XL has confirmed the launch date, August 7, 2025. That's earlier than expected. Just weeks away. DJI isn't holding back. They're ready to shake up the ultralight drone market. And from what we've seen so far, the Mini 5 Pro is more than just an upgrade. It's a serious evolution. Let's start with the battery. Leaked FCC certification details reveal something huge: a 4,680 mAh battery rated at 33.5 watt-hours. That's a massive jump compared to what we saw in the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro. And yes, this is official paperwork. Not speculation. Not rumor. It's the real deal. This new battery could push flight time close to 55 minutes. For a drone that weighs under 250 grams, that's revolutionary. Imagine flying for nearly an hour on a single charge. More time in the sky means more content, fewer battery swaps, and a much smoother creative workflow. For solo creators and drone enthusiasts, this changes everything. And if DJI adds fast charging to the mix, we're talking about minimal downtime and more freedom to explore. But it's not just about flying longer. It's about flying smarter. The leaked label, posted on social media platform X, includes everything from model ID to battery specs. Since this is tied to the FCC, it's as close to confirmation as it gets. The battery isn't just bigger, it's better. Efficient, lightweight, and optimized for high performance. And now, let's talk about the camera. This is where things get even more exciting. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to include a 1-inch image sensor. That's right. A full 1-inch sensor. In a sub-250G drone. That's a first. And it's a big deal. Larger sensors mean more light, more detail, and significantly better image quality. Especially in low-light situations, this upgrade will transform the way your footage looks. Expect better contrast, smoother transitions, and more accurate colors. Your night shots? Brighter and cleaner. Your daytime footage? More vibrant and detailed. It's like bringing pro-grade performance into a pocket-sized drone. Even the camera module itself looks different. Bigger. More exposed. And there's a reason for that. DJI may have removed the side flaps that previously covered the gimbal, likely to allow full 360-degree rotation. That kind of flexibility gives creators more freedom with angles, transitions, and movement. This isn't just a design tweak. It's a creative tool. One that brings cinematic flexibility to a drone that fits in your palm. Combine that with DJI's next-gen stabilization, and you're looking at buttery smooth video straight out of the box. Whether you're filming a sunset over a lake or tracking a mountain biker down a trail, your footage is going to look stunning. The gimbal also appears to be redesigned. Smoother. More responsive. With fewer restrictions in movement. It gives you more control over how you frame your shots and helps deliver that polished, professional look that sets DJI apart. Let's shift to safety and obstacle avoidance. DJI isn't holding back here either. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a front-facing LR sensor, part of their advanced 3D infrared sensing system. This technology, previously seen in the Mavic 4 and Air 3S, is designed to detect obstacles up to 25 meters away. It also offers a wide 60-degree field of view, improving spatial awareness and flight safety, and here's the kicker, it's optimized for low light. That means smarter navigation, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're flying at dawn, dusk, or under clouds, the drone remains aware of its environment. That's a level of safety we've rarely seen in ultralight drones. You'll also notice larger sensor housings on the body. These bulges likely accommodate the new L system without limiting the movement of the upgraded gimbal. It's all about integration, fitting advanced features into a compact body without compromise, and speaking of under-the-hood upgrades, let's talk motors. The Mini 5 Pro features new, more powerful motors equipped with ventilation ports. This is a first for the Mini series. The result? Better performance, better cooling, and potentially improved stability in windy conditions. This also opens the door to carrying slightly heavier payloads or handling accessories with more ease. One of the most welcomed changes, quick-release propellers. No more tiny screws. No more fumbling around. Just snap on, snap off. It's a simple change, but one that makes a big difference in daily use. Faster setups. Easier maintenance. Happier pilots. Despite all the upgrades, the drone still stays under the 250G threshold. That's a crucial point. It means the Mini 5 Pro retains its ultralight status, avoiding many regulatory requirements in various regions. You get high-end performance without legal headaches. Storage is getting an upgrade too. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with 32 GB of internal memory. A solid backup if you forget your microSD card. It won't replace high-capacity cards, but for quick shoots or emergencies, it's incredibly useful. And yes, let's go back to flight time. DJI is setting a new standard here. The standard battery is expected to offer up to 45 minutes. But with the rumored Plus battery, that number could stretch past 50 minutes. Compare that to the Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute average. This isn't just an improvement, it's a leap. The transmission system is also getting a boost. The Mini 5 Pro will use DJI's O4 system, delivering a range of up to 20 kilometers. That's the same tech found in the Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro. Stable video. Long-range control. Low latency. It's what professional flyers expect, and now it's coming to an ultralight. For control, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to support the RC2 controller, the RCN3, and even the DJI Motion controller. And for FPV enthusiasts, DJI Goggles 3 and N3 are also rumored to be compatible. However, the RC Track controller might be off the table, at least for now. DJI seems to be streamlining its controller lineup to focus on the most versatile and popular models. Now let's talk smart features. DJI may be adding voice command control to the Mini 5 Pro. This feature has appeared on the DJI Neo and could be coming here next. Imagine telling your drone to take off, land, or start recording, all hands-free. It's fast, intuitive, and opens new possibilities for solo creators. But there's also a chance that DJI will add in-app audio recording. That means while you're flying, you can record voice notes or narration directly from your phone. It's perfect for vloggers, educators, or creators who want to add commentary on the fly. Another possible feature: a dedicated flight mode button. This would let users activate pre-programmed shots or camera moves with one press. Great for beginners. Even better for pros who want quick access to cinematic effects without fiddling through settings. Now, the two biggest questions: when is it launching, and how much will it cost? The official release is expected in September 2025. That aligns with the teaser, field testing, and FCC documentation. DJI usually launches in waves, and this fits the timeline perfectly. Pricing is expected to start at around $850 for the base model with the RCN2 controller and one battery. The Fly More combo, which includes the RC2 controller with built-in screen and extra batteries, could go up to $1,200. This puts the Mini 5 Pro right between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3S, offering high-end features at a very competitive price. So here's the big picture. DJI isn't just improving the Mini. They're redefining what a mini drone can be. More power, More intelligence. More creativity. All in a form factor that you can carry anywhere. This isn't just another product. It's a statement that you don't need a heavy drone to get professional results. That you don't need to spend thousands to get pro-level features. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI is proving once again why they're at the top of the drone game. So, are you planning to grab the Mini 5 Pro when it launches? What shots would you try first? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Tap Tech. We'll keep you updated with all the latest DJI news, reviews, and leaks as we get closer to launch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.